Good afternoon, morning. Can I see the room and rates?
Yes, sir.
Available right now? Available rooms here?
You want
Standard room.
standard room?
Yes, standard.
Upstairs.
Upstairs. How much is room?
1.8, sir.
1,800. If pay 1 month, how much?
Maybe 34, sir.
34,000 peso. Including electric, of course, yes? If pay
Yes, sir.
electric, water including.
Yeah.
already. Water heater available?
Yes, sir.
Hot water have. Internet, Wi-Fi?
Yes, sir. Free Wi-Fi, sir.
Free Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Every day. Okay, thank you very much. So
Yes,
this is
sir.
contact
Okay.
refrigerator here. Do you have a safety box? Safety box?
No, sir. Only this, sir.
A cabinet like this?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Safety box don't have.
Yeah.
Okay. But silent here. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you for.
Yes, sir.